Hello students, today we are going to discuss our new topic Pythagoras theorem. So basically this theorem is used in right angle triangle and by which we can derive base, perpendicular and hypotenuse formula. So let's learn what is Pythagoras theorem and how we solve question based upon this theorem. So statement is, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. Okay. So, ये formula क्या statement देता है? That if there is a right angle triangle, okay. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. So, this side which we called hypotenuse, okay. This is the longest side and the square of the length of this side will be equals to sum of the square of the length of these two sides, okay. So square of hypotenuse is equals to square of base this side and square of perpendicular, that is this side. So if we name this side H, base as B and perpendicular as P, so the formula we have H square is equals to B square plus P square, okay. And by this formula we also can generate formula for base and perpendicular, that is B square is equals to hypotenuse square minus P square. How? That we have transposed this P with H square, so this become minus P here, okay. So B square is equals to H square minus P square. Similarly, P square is equals to H square minus B square, okay. So these are three formula we have and with the help of these formula we will solve our upcoming questions, okay. So question we have, find the unknown dimension of right angle triangle. So तीन टाइप के क्वेश्चन हमारे पास हैं जहाँ पर बेस, परपेंडिकुलर और हाइपोटेन्यूस. Sometimes we don't have the given length of hypotenuse, we have to find it. Sometimes we have to find perpendicular and base, okay. So let's do first part. Base is 234 centimeter, perpendicular is 88 centimeter, okay. And we have to find hypotenuse, that is missing, okay. So what will we do? We will apply hypotenuse formula, okay. hypotenuse का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है तो हमें बेस और परपेंडिकुलर पता है, ओके. सो स्क्वायर ऑफ hypotenuse is equals to square of base plus square of perpendicular. So we are using this formula by this h square or hypotenuse का square is equals to base, that is 234 square of 234 plus square of 88. Now आपको स्क्वायर पता है, स्क्वायर क्या होते हैं. सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस नंबर सेम टाइम. स्क्वायर हमारे पास आ जाएगा 234 का 54. सो ये हमारे पास स्क्वायर आ जाएगा 234 का और 88 का स्क्वायर होगा 7744. Now the sum of these two is, okay, so the sum of these two numbers is 62,500. Now this is h square. We don't have to find h square, we have to find h, okay. If you want to remove the square, what will we do? So to remove the square from h, we will put under root for this number, okay. Now under root of or square root of 62,500 is 250. So this is our hypotenuse, okay. And this is the answer for first part. Now let's come to the second part. Now second part we have base is 140, perpendicular is missing and we have to find out this, and hypotenuse is 221, okay. This is our right angle triangle, so this is base, this is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular, okay. So put the formula for perpendicular So by using p square is equals to h square minus b square. Now put the values. We need to find out p square, and h square is 221, square of 221 minus b is 140, so square of 140, p square. Now 221 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा, ये आपको स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना है by multiplying this same number by the same number, and we will have square of 221 is 48,841 and square of 140 is 19,600. So since we have to minus it, subtract this number. So what will come up after subtracting? The answer we have 29,241. Okay, this is the answer by subtracting 19,600 from 48,841. Now this is our p square. We want p, not p square. So what will we do? We will remove this square. So for that we have to put under root or square root sign here over 29,241. Now इसका स्क्वायर रूट कितना होगा? इसका स्क्वायर रूट आपके पास आंसर आएगा 171. Okay, so this is our answer and perpendicular here is 171 centimeter. This is our answer. Now let's come to the third question. Now third part we have the base is missing and we have given perpendicular and hypotenuse. So this is our hypotenuse, this is our perpendicular, and we have to find out the base. So formula for base is b square is equals to h square minus p square. Okay, we have given h and p, so put the value. B square is equals to h is 185, square of 185 minus p is square of 153. Now 185 का स्क्वायर हमारे पास आ जाएगा 34,225 माइनस 153 का स्क्वायर आ जाएगा 23,409. Now by subtracting we will have the result as 10,816 and this is our b square. But we have to find out b, not b square. What will we do? We will remove this square and put square root sign for this number, and square root of 10,816 is 104 centimeter. So this is our base. This is 104 centimeter. Okay. So students, अब आपकी स्क्रीन के सामने इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड कुछ एक्सरसाइज प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं. आपको उनको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है और प्रैक्टिस करना है. So today we have learned what is Pythagoras theorem and what is the formula based on this theorem and how we find out the value of base, perpendicular and hypotenuse if two of them is given. Okay, मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.